Today I will compare Hisense to big screen TV in this video. Display technology, screen size, backlight, display resolution, pixel density, bit depth, refresh rate, color accuracy, peak brightness, dimming zones, HDR support, contrast and black level, contrast ratio, adaptive synchronization, HDMI ports, HDMI consumer electronic control, HDMI audio return channel, Miracast, Apple AirPlay, built-in Chromecast, optical digital audio out, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, USB ports, screen mirroring, speakers, sound technology, speaker direction, operating system, app store type, system on chip, voice control, voice assistant, supported apps, dimensions, weight, wall mount size, TV tuners, thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.